Hey, what's up everyone? It's Eric here from Guy and Kicks. I'm back at it again with another video, and today I am super excited to talk about this shoe. I've been waiting to make this video for a few weeks now, so finally getting it done, and I'm super excited. So let's just jump into it right away. So today's video is on the New Balance X Racer Bodega All-Terrain. So yeah guys, so this shoe originally released on June 25th, 2020 for a retail price of $140. It obviously was a quick sellout. Just like any hype shoe, in those first couple of days when it first releases, prices skyrocket. And I was pretty impatient and waiting for those prices to come down a bit. I actually got a little bit scared. I was like, because initially I saw around the $400 range, and I was like, no way in hell I'm spending that much money on these shoes. But at least I'm happy with the shoe because I love the shoe. Probably happened to all of us, when we buy a shoe, especially a hype shoe on the resale market. Sometimes we overpay for it. It's just the name of the game, right? So I definitely a victim on that side of it this time. But at the end of the day, I'm super excited for the shoe. I'm happy, and I just love the shoe, so I'm okay with it. Jumping into the materials, it seemed like the shoe has a lot going on and has a lot of different materials going on here. Basically uses suedes, nylons, ripstops, things like that. Some leather here on the wings on the side here, and that's pretty much it. Obviously rubber for the midsole and the outsole. Looking at the upper of the shoe, they definitely brought some of those earth tones colors, being that it's a hiking shoe, but they also took some of those 90s early 2000s streetwear colors to bring that to the shoe to give it more pop. On the upper of the shoe, again, it's mostly that nylon ripstop material from the tongue, from the outer part of the shoe and the inner part of the shoe to down here to the toe box. You'll see some suede here around the toe box area, here in the back as well. Different kind of suedes here on the back and on the front part of the shoe, which is cool. The laces are 3M, and they also come with an extra pair of laces. Overall, what I love about the shoe is just the details. Obviously the shoe is based on the X Racer silhouette, but Bodega and the folks that worked on it, added their own taste to the shoe. For example, here in the tongue, you have this strap here that it has Bodega spelled out. If you take this strap out, you'll see some additional details underneath it. It'll say Bodega, but in a blue color, which definitely do not go in coordination with all these other colors that are here on the upper part of the shoe. And just the little minor details, it does have a DIY vibe to it as well. Here on the outer part of the shoe, they use a stitching material for the end, where on the inner part of the shoe, they just use the same rubber-like end that is used on the regular X Racer. For comfort, this uses New Balance Absorb technology here. And then you have more of that pink color and some greens and grays and blacks on the outsole of the shoe. This is a size 10, so they do run true to size, and they fit very comfortable. So again, they definitely nailed it. You can tell that their mindset first, okay, at the end of the day, this is a hiking shoe, so we need to make this comfortable and breathable and durable, and they nailed that part. But at the same time, they just added more life to the shoe, so that you can go from hiking, if you want to wear it to go hiking, or just simply go out on a Friday night or whatever, walking around the city and rocking some heat. They definitely nailed both sides of the spectrum there for sure. I just think that the relationship between New Balance and Bodega is a great match. I've been eyeing a pair of Bodega New Balance sneakers for quite a while now. I struck out on the ones last year for the No Days Off. Those are also fire. And when these came out, when I first saw these, it was like, I have to get these, and I'm happy I did. And let me show you how they look on feet. So yeah guys, so I hope this video was able to give you a deeper look into this collaboration between New Balance and Bodega. Let me know what you guys think on this shoe, and like always, follow me on Instagram at GuyInKicks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so. I'll appreciate that very much. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.